Hey y'all, in this video I'm going to show you how I made my woodblock snowman as well as the little hats that I made for my bottle snowman. So I'm using an old sweater for the snowman hat, so we're just cutting out a little piece of fabric out of that. The size for this one is roughly 11 inches wide and it was about 10 inches tall. So the bottom of the sweater where it already has that little like imprint look on it, I'm just folding that over and then folding it back in and gluing that together. And that will be the rim of the hat, and then we're just folding those two sides in together and gluing them together. And now we're just going to take the top part of the hat and just fold that in to create kind of a little point and just glue that together. Now I would say it's best if you just go ahead and cut your fabric into kind of a point like these other little hats that I made, just so you don't have as much fabric on the tips of them. So you'll see like this little tiny hat, all I had to do was glue it and kind of like twist it to create that little point. But either way you choose works out fine. So now all you're going to do is take the tip of that hat and bend it over to the side, and then we're going to glue that so that it will hold that look. So now you have a cute little DIY stocking hat to put on your snowman. And to create the little pom-pom for the hat, I'm just rolling up this decorative trim. And we're just going to glue right into that to hold that together, and then glue it onto the hat, and then glue in between all the little pom-poms to hold those together as well. So I wanted to make this a glitter snowman, so I'm just painting over my white paint with some Mod Podge, and then we're just sprinkling on some ultra fine glitter by HTV Rot. So I just tried to knock off any excess glitter that I had, but with it being ultra fine, I haven't noticed any mess with this one. So it doesn't look like it sheds as bad as some of the other glitters that I've used. So now we can add our little hat to our snowman, just get that adjusted on him how you need it. And I just cut a scrap piece of the sweater to make a little scarf for him. So now we're just going to add all the fine little details. So I'm adding my little wood piece for his nose that I painted, and then just drawing in his eyes and his mouth using a black paint pen. And his nose was made of a tiny little piece of scrap wood. So this is how he looks once he's all complete. I just love how he looks with his little shimmer and everything. It's just super cute. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.